Welcome, Eden Park families and friends, to another wonderful school year here at Eden Park Elementary School. This is part of our annual Title I meeting, and we hope that you have a wonderful time today as you get to interact with your teacher here in a little bit, going up to your classrooms, getting students settled, and getting acclimated to their new environment. But before we do that, I wanted to have an opportunity to talk about some of the things around Title I. As a Title I school, we host an annual meeting each year. And the purpose of this meeting is to provide you with some various information in order for you to be an advocate for your student. As I had alluded to, we are a Title I school, and we receive Title I funding from the U.S. Department of Education. And what this does is it helps to ensure that all children have the opportunity to obtain high-quality education and reach proficiency on challenging state academic standards and assessments. That is the goal of Title I funding. Now, there are many ways to go about using this Title I funding. And what we will talk about first is the eligibility. In order for a student, or in order for schools to be eligible, what we do is during the fiscal year 21 school year, the Summer Food Service Program waiver allowed schools to serve meals to all children 18 and under at no charge. Due to this waiver, we won't be able to use current Survey 3 data or data from last school year. What we are using is the data from our previous school year, which was 2019-2020. And based on the number of students who qualify for free or reduced lunch meals, that is what allows students or schools to be eligible for Title I funding. For the current school year, in order for a school, elementary and middle school, to be eligible for Title I funding, they have to have 75% of their students as meeting or being qualified for free or reduced price lunch. Some of the benefits of Title I include funding for supplemental programs, supplemental curriculum. We are able to do additional engagement opportunities for parents and families. We are able to fund supplemental highly effective staff members, as well as doing staff development opportunities for our teaching staff. Based on the current last year's data, we have identified 3 areas of need: language arts, English language arts, science, and math. English language arts continues to be an area of focus for our school. Based on last year's state assessment, 37% of our students scored proficient on the state assessment. In science, science remains an area of focus as well, and 37% of our students scored proficient on the state assessment last year as well. And then math is an area of focus, where 41% of our students scored proficient on the state assessment. Title I funding is used to support a variety of different areas, and they all center around those 3 areas that I had just mentioned: English language arts, math, and science. And there is a supplemental handout if you are interested. You can go by the front desk here at Eden Park Elementary School, and you can request that document. And that provides you with additional information about the supplemental staff that are funded through Title I funds. Additionally, we do use Title I funds for additional things. One of them is for the Leader in Me, the implementation and training around Leader in Me, which is teaching our students about the 7 habits of highly effective people. It teaches our students about goal setting and goal tracking, and providing them with the tools in order to be college, career, and life ready. Additionally, we do supply instructional supplies for students. We also do staff development and the associated costs with the staff development. This year we are offering several sessions of Saturday school or Saturday school programming, as well as staff development, and then our parent involvement supplies. And we will be doing something around the 7 habits of highly effective families, and that will be forthcoming later in the year. Title I documents. You do have a variety of documents that are available upon request at the front office here at Eden Park. You are, on the first day of school or the first week of school, you will receive what's called the Parent Compact. And we ask that you sign and return that to school within the first couple days. This provides everybody with an opportunity to review the with the compact or the requirements that we are asking all stakeholders to do to help our students be successful. There is also a parent and family engagement policy that is on our website at collierschools.com/EPE. There is available at the front office. We can provide you with our use of funds plan. We also have the comprehensive needs assessment, which is the document that leads into our use of funds. We have a school improvement plan, which is available online, and then the school report card. Throughout the process, we encourage parents, students, and community members to be involved and to review our comprehensive needs assessment data and to ask questions, provide input on the expenditures that we have for Title I. A key way that you can provide input on Title I funding is by getting involved in our School Advisory Council. If you are interested in participating or getting involved in the School Advisory Council, I would encourage you to complete the form that's in your student's classroom. Please provide your name, your contact information, and your student and grade level. And we will get in contact with you for information about potentially joining our School Advisory Council. During the first week, you will also receive a parent and family engagement booklet that will be sent home via student backpack during the first week of school. This has a variety of information in order for you to be able to serve as an advocate for your student. A couple of updates for this school year. We do have a few adjustments. Our start time for this school year is at 7:45. That remains the same from last year to this year. So start time is at 7:45. Our dismissal time this year is a little bit different. Last year we were at 2:10. This year we are 30 minutes additional, and we are at 2:40. So our dismissal time this year is at 2:40. We will begin serving breakfast at 7:10, and supervision is not available in the front of the school until 7 o'clock. So please do not drop students off until at least 7 o'clock. That is the earliest that we are able to provide supervision in front of the school. And then finally, first day of school reminders. This first day of school can lead to a variety of feelings for parents and students, and we want to ensure that students have a safe, happy, and healthy first couple days of school. So please ensure that your student knows how they will go home on the first days of school. So the first several days of school, please make sure that they know how they're going home. I would encourage you to make sure that you write a list of contact people that for your student. Place those in your student's backpack just in case. All right. Put your student's name on all documents, on all items, including their backpack, as well as putting a list of contacts such as yourself, your any other friends or family that are able to pick up your student, just in case there's something that happens for those first couple days. Parents, you are able to update your contact information directly this year through the parent portal. All you need to do is go to www.collierschools.com and select Parents. There will be a link for the portal directly on that website. And in closing, thank you so much for being here today. We really appreciate it. Your support, your engagement means everything to us. It is the key, it is one of the keys to a successful year and successful growth for your student. And again, thank you and have a wonderful rest of your day.